Save Rivers Marathon yo mu rundu rwa kashatu yayijumbirwamo enkuyanja y'abatura abari kurenga mu 20 kandi bashabwa okongereho ururegi omubandi batura okurebuka ngu bacungura omujerogo.
Umugera gwa Rizi kandi yo turi kutora. So amana minje munonga tugatira kora interventions aha Rizi. Boka ko kumanya turinde njura abono kutandika no kwa munana ninjira no kwa mwenda we expect some rain kandi kera atera hansi cyako bantu betantu bagambira ekiturakora mu gihugu.
WWF has committed around 50,000 seedlings to be planted along the different stretches of the river. We expect to, among this support, to cover around 1.5 square kilometers in Rwambara district.
Abatebekanisa bayanjura ebintu ebikozerwe okurinda omujerogu okwiha marathon yo mu rundu rwa kabiri ebaho omwaka gwahwire.
Twatplaninze gukora ebina 50 konga sofa kurugo marathon yahwire tukozire 18 okushomesa abantu aha bikukwatana no kugaraho ebyo buhangwa na nomugera gwito gwa River Rizi tukakoraho okushomesa enkungana 10 tukutagetinga abantu 12 ebyo tukabikora omukashanyarazi Taso Village, Buremba, Kakoba, Rugazi Cell na Katete.
Ekyo kubanza cyabyona irigo mining yo mushenyi nango kutemba mushenyi turekeraho tureke kutema ebinyasi bya komasho okuguza ebisharara ekindi turebeke ngo hati okutera amatafari ebyo byona twabirekeraho naho twahataba.
Abekitongore ekirukurinda ebyo buhangwa ekya Worldwide Fund for Nature Uganda abashagikire okwiruko okuntu bagira ngu nibaza kushagika endijo miromo egenderire okurinda omujerogu na sente zirukuhika million 500 omuza Uganda.
And we are working with another private sector who is going to extract the water hyacinth to change it into fertilizer, so that what was a waste and a problem to the river can be turned into a solution.
We do sensitization, engaging with the communities, but also we do livelihood, income generating activities for the communities to do activities that are sustainable and do not degrade.
Ministry y'ebyamizi n'ebyobuhangwa nibagira ngu bahereze okucungura ebishari 10 omuri burengero izoba ebiraretere obwingi bw'amizi bwayongera omujerogo.
If we protect River Rizi, then it means we reduce the amount of water that's coming from Kagera and the cost will go down. Maybe as time progresses, we might have enough water in River Rizi.
Ehuregi etebekanisibwe abahumuza Development Group bashagikirwe TV West, Radio West, WWF, Nairobi Breweries, Ministry y'ebyamizi n'obuhangwa, Lato Milk n'ebindi bitongore. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West agacenchwire.